Poly Edge V250 effortlessly handles multiple calls with reliability on multi-line office phones. The V250 has 4 line keys supporting up to 16 lines, features, and contacts on a 2.4-inch color display. Let's look at what comes in the box. The components include the phone base itself, the desk and table stand, Ethernet cable, handset cord and handset, and a quick start guide. Let's start by looking at various ports on the phone and start to get things set up. On the right side of the Edge V250, you'll notice a USB-C connection to the PC. Using an optional USB-C cable, you can use your Edge V phone as a speaker and microphone for your PC. This can also power the phone. As we turn the phone over, let's review the different ports. The first port you see near the top edge of the V250 is a Kensington lock port that would allow you to lock the phone in place. Moving from left to right and top to bottom, the first port we have is for an optional power supply. Keep in mind the Edge V250 uses power over Ethernet, so the power supply is not needed to operate the phone. Next, we have the LAN port that will connect to the network and internet. The next port is a LAN pass-through port. This is used if you need to hardwire a device at your desk and you only have one LAN drop in your area. On the bottom row, there is an RJ11 that is used for certain types of headsets that require a hardwired connection to the phone. Finally, the last port is for the telephone handset coiled cable. On the back of the phone, plug the long flat end of the RJ11 cable into the phone port. Feed the cable through the channel locks. Take the handset and plug the flat end of the RJ11 into the handset base. To install the stand, turn the phone over and then slowly insert the stand into the defined stand receptacles. Please take note, you'll have the ability to put the phone at 2 different angles based upon your preference and lighting in your space. To do so, simply remove the stand, flip over, and reinsert. If you are going to be wall mounting your phone, there is an optional wall mount kit available. The final step is to plug in the LAN cable to the appropriate network port that is providing power over Ethernet. If your network is not providing power, you can also use the optional power supply or power the unit over USB-C. You may need to go through a series of startup screens, or your phone will be provisioned by your network provider. For additional information, please visit hp.com.